Hi guys, my name is Amber and I'm going to show you how to load your film into a 35mm SLR camera. So for this you'll need a spool of film, which you can use any color, but for this I'll be using black and white. And then of course you'll need your 35mm SLR camera. The first thing you need to do is to open up the back of the camera. You're doing so by lifting up the lever rewind button, and you want to pull that all the way up. So the back kind of pops open, and then you just lift it all the way back. When you open it up, you can see all the inside of the camera, the film compartment that's where the film spool will be. And then there is the shutter curtain where when you take your picture, this is the part where your film is going to get exposed. And then there's the take-up spool, which everything will be taken to, all the film will go in here after you've taken the picture. The next step in loading your film is taking your spool and placing it in the film compartment by the knobby going down. And then to keep it in place, I would suggest putting the rewind lever back down so it holds it in place. So then the next step you're going to do is take the excess film and you're going to want to pull it across over the shutter, and then you want to kind of line it up with those notches and take the excess film and put it right into one of the little openings of the take-up spool. It might take a little bit of time to get it in there, but make sure it's right and don't rush it. You want to make sure that it's correct, because when taking the pictures you don't want it to accidentally rip or not even take it at all, and then everything will wind back into the spool, and then you just wasted a perfect thing of film. Now you're going to have to keep the film in place, and to do that you'll use the film advance. Now you're going to want to do this 5 times, but keeping the back open, you're going to want to do this 2 times. So you advance it, which it already has been advanced, and then you want to click to take a picture. Advance again, and as you can see, it took up the spool. You want to do it one more time. Go like that. Now you've done that. Finally, what you're going to do is you're going to close back up your camera, and then you're going to want to do 3 more advances to make sure that all of the exposed film is not in the way when you start to take your pictures. So 1, 2, 3. Now that was just in case, and that is how you load your film. So now I showed you how to properly load your film into your SLR 35mm camera. We started by opening the back and putting in the film and draping it across into the spool. And then we advanced that 2 times. And then we closed the back and advanced it 3 more times. And then I showed you some camera parts too. So thanks for watching and enjoy shooting.